Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have handed right back Dylan Solomons a new one-year contract extension, keeping him at Naturena until June 2027. The deal comes as Amakhosi continues to reshape their squad ahead of the 2026-27 season, with the new head coach Fernando da Cruz expected to arrive next week to begin preseason and usher in a new era. Solomons joined Kaizer Chiefs from Moroka Swallows in 2022 and has endured a mixed spell at the club. Although he arrived with high expectations, the 29-year-old has battled injuries and stiff competition for a regular starting place. But despite those setbacks, he has featured 19 matches across all competitions last season under head coach Nasreddine Nabi before Coach Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf took over on interim basis following the Tunisia's departure. The new contract represents a vote of confidence from Kaizer Chiefs, while also giving Solomons an opportunity to prove his long-term value under Fernando da Cruz. With his future secured for another season, the defender will be eager to establish himself as one of the club's first-choice right-back. And Chiefs are expected to make further changes in the squad in the upcoming days, with several players set to depart, and decisions still pending on a number of senior players whose contracts set to expire at the end of the month. The Soweto Giants have already signed Thabo Moloisane from Stellenbosch FC on a free transfer, while George Mantlowu and academy graduate Happy Mashiane were among the players released as preparations for the new campaign gathers momentum. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Kaizer Chiefs giving Dylan Solomons a new contract? Do you think that they did a good thing? Let me hear your thoughts down below. Because remember, competition is really stiff on those right back positions because there's Thabiso Monyani and Riv Frosler. And in other news, ambitious Zimbabwean champions Scotland FC are plotting a massive transfer coup to secure the signature of Mamelodi Sundowns striker Peter Shalulile. The Harare-based outfit are aggressively assembling a star-studded squad ahead of their maiden Champions League campaign for the 2026-27 edition. Peter Shalulile has struggled for regular game time at Lorcop under head coach Miguel Cardoso during the recent Betway Premiership campaign. The 32-year-old only made 13 league appearances, netting 3 goals. And across all competitions, he only featured 23 times, registering 6 goals. Peter Shalulile's contract with Mamelodi Sundowns officially set to expire at the end of June, leaving him free to negotiate with any club for his next move. But despite his reduced minutes, the forward remains PSL's all-time top goal scorer across all competitions with over 130 goals, having previously surpassed Siyabonga Nomvete's tally of 129 goals. And with Shalulile set to become a free agent in a matter of days, Scotland FC are enticing the veteran with a stunning 4.1 million rand signing on package in order to lure him to Zimbabwe in July. While his potential monthly salary remains disclosed, the club's leadership is prepared to go all out. However, the Zimbabwean champions will face stiff competition, with Saudi Pro League outfit Al Qadisha and several unnamed clubs in the Middle East are also circling around the clinical finisher. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this transfer? Do you think that it might happen that Shalulile will go to Scotland FC? Let me hear your thoughts down below. Do you think that Mamelodi Sundowns will give him a contract extension or they will let him go? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.